Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to start new lesson. The name of the lesson is The Junk Sailor. Children, do you know what is junk? Junk means old or unwanted things which are of little value. Children, you all must have seen junk in your house in form of old newspaper, clothes, plastic, etc., which we sail out from time to time and make our house clean. Children, we get money when we sell these junk items, or we need money when we buy anything. Okay, so through this chapter we are going to learn about Indian currency. Children, in this lesson we will learn how can we convert Indian rupees in paise and paisa in rupees, and also we will learn how can we calculate money when we buy or sell anything. Okay, so let us start. Children, here on this page you can see notes and coins. Children, here you can see 50 paisa coin. Nowadays we are not using 50 paisa coin, we are using 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin and 5 rupees coin. Okay, and the rest note you are using. Okay, and 1 rupee has 100 paisa. Children, this is rupees is a big unit of Indian currency and paisa is a small unit. Okay, so 1 rupee has 100 paisa and the symbol of rupees is this. Okay, children, here to calculate the money, what you will do, you will count the paisa separately and note separately. For example, here you can see here 50 paisa coin and 50 paisa coin. When you will add this coin, you will get 100 paisa, and 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. Okay, now similarly here you can see 100 rupees note, 2 rupees note and 2 rupees note. So 100, 2, 4, and this is also 2 rupees coin. So this will be rupees 106. Okay, so similarly we can calculate the money. Okay, now let us see how can we convert rupees in paisa. First of all, we will learn how can we write rupees and paisa. Okay, so children, here you can see 20 rupees note and 50 paisa coin, and together how will you write? You will write rupees and paisa and separate them with dot. Okay, I am showing you how 20 rupees and then 50 paisa, and you will separate this with dot, and here you will put symbol of rupees. Okay, so the number that is toward the left side, this is rupees and this is paisa. Suppose if this is written 9.25, how will you read this number? You will read 9 rupees 25 paisa. Okay, left side rupees and right side paisa, and you separate rupees and paisa by putting dot. Suppose you want to write 101 rupees and 90 paisa. So first we will write 101, then 90 paisa. Okay, and separate them with dot and here put symbol. So this is way of writing rupees. Okay, And how will you read this? You will read this 101 rupee and 90 paisa. Suppose you have 5 rupees 75 paisa. So how will you read this? 5 rupees and 75 paisa. Children, hope you all have understood how to read and write rupees. Okay, now let us know how can we convert rupees in paisa and paisa in rupees. Children, to convert rupees in paisa, we multiply by 100. Okay, suppose you have rupees 5 and you want to convert this in paisa. So what you will do? You will multiply this by 100 and you will get 500 paisa. Okay, suppose if rupees and paisa are together written, suppose rupees and paisa together written and you have to convert this in paisa, then what you will do? You will simply remove this dot. So the answer will be 925 paisa. Children, hope you all are understanding. If rupees are given, simply you have to put 2 zeros at the last. Okay, suppose you have 19 rupees. So then what you will do? You will multiply it by 100, or simply you will write 19 and 2 0, that will be paisa. If it rupees and paisa together written, suppose 5 rupees 75 paisa and you want to convert this in paisa, then what you will do? You will remove this dot and the answer will be 575 paisa. Children, hope you all are getting it. Now let us see how can we convert paisa in rupee. So to convert paisa in rupee, we divide by 100. Suppose you have 9285 paise. What you will do? You will divide it by 100, or you separate 2 digits, because 100 is having 2 zeros. So you separate 2 zeros from the right side and put dot. So the answer will be rupees 92.85. Okay children, divide by 100, or you simply put dot by removing 2 digits to the right side. Okay, suppose if you have 830 paisa and you want to convert this in rupees, so what you will do? The step that you have to remember, divide by 100. Okay, and here 2 zeros are here, so you separate 2 digits and put points. So the answer will be 8.30. So rupees 8 and 30 paisa. Children, hope you all have understood it. Here more examples are given. You can see 5 rupees and you have to convert this in paisa. So rupees को पैसे में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. So 5 multiplied by 100, 500 paisa. And here 10 rupees and 50 paisa is given together. So what you will do? You will simply remove this rupees and you will write 1050 paisa. Okay. Now here to convert paisa into rupees, here this is paisa, 110 paisa, and you want to convert this in rupees. What you have to do? You have to simply put dot after 2 digits. So 1.10, rupees 1.10. Is that clear? And here 50 paisa, you want to convert this in rupees. So what you will write? 50 point, and because there is no digit on the rupees place, so you will put 0. So this will be the answer. Children, hope you all have understood. Please do practice watch video carefully and learn how we are converting rupees in paisa and paisa in rupees, and how can we read rupees and paise. Okay, thank you and have a good day.